Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best camping cookware set for campfire cooking, the KingCamp Camping Cookware Set made from premium 304 stainless steel. Whether you're an avid camper, a hiking enthusiast, or just love outdoor picnics, this set is designed to make your outdoor cooking experience both efficient and enjoyable. The KingCamp Cookware Set is crafted from 304 double-bottomed stainless steel, a material known for its durability and excellent heat conduction. This means your meals will cook evenly and quickly, whether you're using an open flame, charcoal, wood, gas, or even an induction cooker. The robust stainless steel construction ensures that the cookware resists corrosion, wear, and tear, making it a reliable companion on all your outdoor adventures. This set is thoughtfully designed to cater to different cooking needs with multiple sizes included. You get a large pot measuring 7.8 by 4.9 inches, a medium pot at 6.2 by 3.8 inches, a colander-sized 7 by 3.7 inches, and a fry pan of 7.8 by 1.9 inches. These varying sizes allow you to cook for groups ranging from 4 to 6 people, making it perfect for family camping trips or outings with friends. Portability is a key feature here. Each pot and pan nests neatly inside one another and fits into a compact travel tote bag, which makes packing and transporting this cookware hassle-free. The handles on the pots are perforated, allowing you to hang them over open fires, which is a fantastic feature for traditional campfire cooking. One of the standout items in this set is the non-stick griddle pan. It heats up quickly and ensures a good cooking performance for preparing meals like pancakes, eggs, or grilled vegetables. The non-stick surface also means cleanup is easy, an important factor when camping away from the convenience of a full kitchen. Plus, the handle of the fry pan is removable, so you save space and enhance portability. Included in the set is a handy colander that simplifies straining tasks such as rinsing berries, vegetables, or pasta. This addition makes meal prep and cleanup much more convenient, letting you enjoy your time outdoors without the usual kitchen fuss. Another important point is that this cookware is compatible with stainless steel utensils and is oven-safe, which adds versatility for cooking different types of meals in various environments. However, it is not dishwasher-safe, so hand washing will be necessary to maintain its quality. Overall, the KingCamp Camping Cookware Set offers a great balance of durability, functionality, and portability. Its stainless steel build coupled with thoughtful design elements like stackable pots, removable handles, and a travel tote bag make it a must-have for anyone serious about campfire cooking. If you want a reliable, high-quality cookware set that handles the demands of outdoor cooking with ease, the KingCamp set is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.